my god, I want that shit.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, something new. Somebody's having fun. But something new has come in the mail. I think you'll enjoy this. I promise you will. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, take a look at this thing. Let me slide it over here. This thing, something somebody sent me in the mail. How does it work? Well, where did you go? It's a tripod. A cool tripod, mind you. Also comes with this crazy tiny little button here that allows me to start, stop, and stop again whenever I feel like. So, let me show you how that looks. This is my hand. This is how I've recorded most of my videos for all of time. This is me from all the way over here. So all that being said, it's also a handheld tripod. I can hold my hand, I can record, I'll even show you. Okay, see, here's the button. Tiny little thing, has a little camera symbol on it. So, I want to take it out of my hands. Out of tripod mode there. There we go. Boom. Now that is crazy. Check this out. Look at the differences, huh? Look at that. I can get all up in these angles here. I can show you the whole engine bay. Hell, I could even sit you down right next to the tires as I'm working. Shout out to the subscriber who sent me this. You're a legend. I greatly appreciate you, and I really hope that you enjoy all the content I make using your gift. Alright, let me see here. Activate the tripod. Oh my goodness. I did shorten it quite a bit, but that's a little much. Now look at that. Look, Mom, no hands. But yeah, ain't that something? But we got some things to talk about. So let's get into it. Alrighty, folks, as you are all probably really familiar with, this is Crunch Bar, the Crunchy 305 V8. Crunchy there came with something else. Take a look at that. Zoom in here. That's a whole new fender for Legacy there. A whole new fender. That's crazy. It's a brand new fender. I got plans, ladies and gentlemen. Plans that I cannot reveal to you at this time. Plans are in the works. Again, Crunch Bar, the fender down there. There's plenty of good stuff coming. It's just going to take me a while. I just need you all to be patient, bear with me. Also, I have a question for everybody. You guys remember the Guys Nightcast, that really crazy and insane podcast that we had, that I had myself, RJ, and then Bill, and a couple other people were part of? You guys remember that? Well, if you do, I have a surprise for you. The Guys Nightcast originally ended because I was stupid and lost the email and password to it. Yep, that's exactly why it ended. We started up the Decoys of Destruction, which we really haven't touched too much. We've added a couple episodes, but nothing too serious. However, I now have access to the Guys Nightcast again, thanks to the wonderful people at Spotify for Podcasters, aka Anchor. Anchor was my first ever sponsor, by the way. First and only sponsor. Dang. I surely thought at one of these points the automotive community would have pointed someone my way. It's okay. I'm not mad. would like to help. I'd like to teach you guys how to work on cars. Maybe I'll make a cars only podcast. We'll see. I'm gonna play around with things. Just know, there's a couple of things that you should take away from this. Number one, shout out to that subscriber who sent me this incredible tripod. Number two, there's stuff going on in the background. Not only am I trying to do gaming content, skibbity toilet content on my other channel, I'm trying to figure out what in the world to do when it becomes winter here. Nuts. Also, today's Thursday. On Saturday, my sister gets married. Congrats to her. While I won't be able to be there because I couldn't get the time off of work, I managed to give her a call and tell her, hey, congrats. Hope you guys have a long and prosperous marriage, because in this day and age, people getting divorced left, right, and center. But that's not the point of this. The point is, number 3, the Guys Nightcast, the Decoys of Destruction, and several other podcasts might be coming your way. If this was a hint, I would take it, and I would bet on yes. I texted RJ last night and I said, hey, we need to start the Decoys of Destruction back, and I also texted him that I have access to the Guys Nightcast again, and his response was, fuck yeah. You all know how RJ says fuck yeah. You've heard him say it 1,000 different times on the podcast. Links in the description to both the Guys Nightcast and the Decoys of Destruction. Well, this has been quite an interesting episode for you guys. You guys get a lot of good content. Not only do you guys get to see me, no hands, man, but you also got to see Crunch Bar again, the brand new fender for Legacy, not the one I need, sadly. If anyone has a driver's side fender flare for a 99 Chevy S10, let me know. Hit me up. I could really use that. And you guys get to hear a little bit about my life. My sister getting married. My life's a little hectic, working and such. Trying to plan out my future. Trying to figure stuff out. Yeah, I'm not married yet, by the way. Just for everyone's... See? No wedding band. Don't mean I don't wanna. But let's just say I'm working on it. Alright, I'm working on it. That being said, there's gonna be several different podcasts that are gonna be coming out soon. I don't know how many. I can't give you an exact number. But here's what I can say. You guys will enjoy it. I know you guys loved the Guys Nightcast. That will be coming to the Bo's Garage channel or the Bo's Emporium channel. I haven't decided which one yet. Decoys of Destruction's coming here definitely. And there's a couple more. I can't reveal them to you yet, you sly fox. You can't get me to tell you that. Come on now, you know better. Where's the suspense? Anyways, if we're gonna go into it, we might as well go full steam ahead, right? Hell, the last time things were this bad, I was listening to the Guys Nightcast last night just to relive the moments that were captured over audio. Oh, that's right. There's gonna be video, hopefully this time. I don't know how that's gonna work, but we're gonna figure something out. With that being said, we're gonna be having one hell of a blast. Both Guys Night and the Decoys of Destruction are linked in the description. Once again, thank you to that amazing subscriber for sending me this kick-ass tripod, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace out, everybody.